Yeah. Hi guys, it's CJ here again, and in this video I want to show us how to create dashboards in HubSpot. And I'm doing this because I get a number of requests from different potential clients asking how they can create dashboards in HubSpot. It's a very straightforward process, and almost anyone can do it. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open your HubSpot portal, and you want to dive right into the reporting tab. Then you click on dashboards, and once that opens up, you want to click on create dashboard. So in the dashboard section, you'll find that you're presented with suggested templates. And again, this dashboard needs to be specific to your goal or what you're trying to achieve as an organization or as a team. Or you can choose to use any of the templates, or you can create one from scratch, depending on what you're trying to showcase, either on the board level or to your team members, or again to your supervisor. All right. So in this case, we're just going to click on new dashboard, and we're going to label this. Okay, let's leave it marketing analytics. Test. Okay. Now we can choose to limit this to super admins or the owner of the account, or anyone else, or just for people to assign to specific teams. Again, the purpose of the dashboard would also determine who needs to access this dashboard. Okay, so you need to answer that question yourself. You're the only one that can. Alright, so let's just allow everyone to view this dashboard, and then we create the dashboard. So our dashboard has been created. Now the next question I get from a number of people is, CJ, where can I see my dashboard? We could find that in the dashboard section, and it's very easy to see. All right, so once we the create section, we want to click on the drop down here. You can see all recently viewed favorites and my dashboards, and here we find the dashboard that we just created. Then we click on it. Okay, so now we see that the dashboard we've created is empty. It's now our job to actually fill this dashboard with relevant data that represent what we are trying to achieve. Okay, all right. So in this case, it's a marketing analytics. So you want to actually beforehand have created reports that relates to this dashboard. All right, or you can actually choose ready-made reports that have been generated by HubSpot to fill in the details here. All right, so let's just drag in a few ready-made reports, or just click on add, and right-hand side. You can add as much reports as you want. Again, it has to be relevant to what you're trying to achieve. And that's it. We are done. We have created dashboard on marketing analytics. Again, this is just a test. You are the only one that can determine what would refer to as marketing analytics in your situation. You can then choose to share it. You can choose to either clone this dashboard or delete it, or you can choose to create more dashboards. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video where we'll be exploring how to create reports and more on this channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye.